welcome to Baozi Training Leetcode solution. If you want the best mock interview experience in North America, feel free to check us out at baozitraining.org. Moreover, if you like to receive the latest tech interview news, feel free to subscribe to our WeChat right here. So today we're going to talk about an easy problem called word pattern. So essentially, they are giving you a pattern and giving you a string separated by a single space. So you want to see if they have like a unique bijection between this one. For example, ABBA, so this is one unique word, and then cat, another word, another same word, and then the unique word which corresponding to A. So one way to solve this is basically by using a map. For example, A maps to a word. So when the next time this word comes again, so we will check. So B maps to another word. So when the next time B comes again, we'll check, oh, if this is the same word or not. For example, if this is a fish, so we're going to return false. However, remember, this is a bijection. Essentially, it's like you cannot have two words mapping to the same word. For example, A maps to dog, and now we check our map. B does not exist. B maps to dog, so that's not correct. So we're gonna have a map or a set to dedupe this. So this is one way to implement this. We're going to choose this way. The other thought is basically kind of like the word isomorphic problem. We're going to encode all those strings. So essentially, it's like ABBA. You can encode it as ABBA, for example, starting from A. And then this, when you separate it, you can also encode it. So when the first time you have an index, right? When the first time you see a new word, so the index is 0, so this is encoded to A. And then when the second time when you see this word, so basically you will put it to B, and then this B and A. But in other case, if your pattern is this, for example, C X X C X X C, so in that case you will move this first C shifted to A, and then the next word is also going to be a B. So basically we're just following the same pattern. When the word is second time is here, so you're going to use this word. So by encoding, essentially you're just comparing if this pattern and if this string is the same or not. It's a little bit more code, but it's definitely doable. But we just use our first method to implement this one. Okay. Okay. Has to be under the same length, or else it will not be a bijection. Or else if the lookup does not contain this guy, we'll first of all check if the word has already been mapped or not. So essentially we're if the word contains this key, so the other case is not containing this key, so that means it's a new one. So essentially what we want to have is, first of all, already contains, somebody has already been taking this key, we should not map it. Else, okay, after all of this, everything is correct, we'll just return a true. If this contains this key, else is not. If it contains this key, we're just going to check the mapping is the same or not. If it's not containing this key, we're going to check if this has been mapped or not, and then we're just going to add it. Looks correct to me. Okay, this is easier than the encoding method, believe it or not. Okay, so this is essentially just looping through the array using hash map extra space. Alright, thanks a lot for watching.